Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what Roblox requires and why. A government ID proves real identity to unlock features. Once you have your passport or driver's license, make sure your account email is verified and two-factor authentication is on to prevent fraud. Take a clear photo of the ID and a matching selfie now. Use a plain background and even lighting so the verification system can read details. Doing these steps at once speeds the whole process and reduces rejections. You proceed to the verification screen inside Roblox and follow prompts carefully. Accuracy matters because mismatched names or dates cause denials. Once there, upload the high-resolution ID image and the selfie, choose the correct document type, and fill every field exactly as the ID shows. Make sure file formats and sizes match Roblox limits. If an option exists, select automatic cropping off to preserve edges. After you submit, note the confirmation and expected wait time so you know when to check back. You finish by monitoring the verification status and preparing to act if something goes wrong. Once done, expect a decision within 1 to 3 days. If rejected, read the stated reason and retake photos to address that specific issue, for example, better lighting or uncut document edges. Make sure to keep a record of submission ID and screenshots. If repeated attempts fail, contact Roblox support with the submission ID and a concise explanation so they can escalate your case efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.